Hello friends, welcome to MultiFrames. So today in this video I am going to discuss what is stock market. So in the previous videos I have discussed about what is a share. So in this video I am going to discuss about what is a stock market. See, basically if we want to buy something, we'll go to market. In the same way, we have an option to go for the share market option, like shares will be sold on the share market. In the olden days, what will happen? The shares will be sold in in the auctions, okay, with the paperwork. But now it is completely online. We can buy online by sitting at home happily. Okay, so this share, like if any company wants to list their company into share markets, they have to list into NSE and BSE listings. So these two listings they should have. So what is NSE and what is BSE? NSE, National Stock Exchange, and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. In spite of this, we have lots of things, but these are the main two things which we'll use regularly. Okay, if we want to buy a shares, then we can buy from a NSE related section or from a BSE related section of a company. Okay, NSE is a National Stock Exchange. BSE is a Bombay Stock Exchange. In our day-to-day life, it may be you're seeing in TVs, in news channels or in newspapers, you can see Nifty. People will be calling Nifty and Sensex. Now NSE is called Nifty. Okay, and BSE is called Sensex. Okay, so sometimes they'll be showing like Nifty went down, Sensex went up, Sensex went down, market crash. So these are all things related to Nifty and Sensex. So these are these two main platforms where people will go buy their shares from NSE related section or a BSE related section. NSE means national level shares. BSE means India, like to our country, this related shares. Any share is a valuable share only, nothing to worries. So this is a stock market thing. And to buy a share, see, we have lots of banks available. It may be SBI, it may be HDFC, ICICI, it may be BOB, any kind of bank it may be. To all the banks, inside the banks, we'll have something called demat accounts. So I'll discuss this thing later in the coming videos, but you should have an idea. Why? Because when I'm discussing about stock market, people will be analyzing, okay, we got an idea about what is a stock market and then how to buy a stock. This video I'm going to discuss in the next section. Next video I'll prepare a video how to buy a stock, what things are required to buy a stock. So I hope you got an idea what is a stock market, and hope you will like this video, and please do subscribe my channel, and please do support me, and thank you so much.